Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the Sitting Scarecrow from Spirit Halloween. I just got this guy. I just got back from Spirit. I am really excited to unbox this because, yeah, I've been procrastinating getting this thing for like 5 or 4 years. Today just happened to be the day we got it. So, come with me on a magical adventure of unboxing this, setting up this thing. Okay. Got some scissors. Let's start. So, yeah, here's the box. Everything. Let's start. Okay. Okay, pull out. Oh, dang. Some stuff. Okay. Whoa, okay. The first thing I'm seeing is the bowl. Got the candy bowl with the sensor. Let's take this out. Here it is. Really cool candy bowl. Alrighty. Then here's the box. We got the adapter with it. Alright, let's just slide this entire thing out. Alrighty. Alright. So here's the instructions. Yes. Instructions. Classic tech instructions. Although I do think these have been updated from the original thing. I'm not sure though. Here's what he looks like. Yeah, let's start taking all the videos out. Okay, so there's like a metal wire. I'm not sure if you're supposed to cut that. I think you are. It's like holding him in place. Little thing. Wait, let's see. Okay, wow. The shoes are real. That's cool. That's cool. The shoes are like real. Real shoes. Okay, hold on. Probably like, yeah, there's like, yeah. It's on the back. I didn't fit in place. Dang. Okay. Is it good? No, I don't want to break it. Obviously. Is there some more down here? We already cut that one. There's an adapter. Box. Adapter box. This thing's very good. What? Okay. He's very heavy. Alright. Got it. So we got the Sitting Scarecrow with this pole. And last but not least, the adapter. I'll be saving this box, obviously. And this inside because why not? And this is really hard to get out. Hold on. I'm just gonna cut it. Adapter, obviously. I'm very glad we got some adapters. We needed some adapters. $100 for the guy since he was on sale at our local, not our local, actually, we were like 30 minutes away. And then we got on adapter. Okay. The unboxing is complete. I'm gonna use his box as his seat. I'm just gonna put this inner lining in. Again, I like keeping that stuff. The entire original packaging, although for most of my animatronics, I do not have that. Because I'm starting to collect the boxes now too. Yeah, I'm gonna lay it down like this though. But alright. I already know how to set this guy up pretty much, so it's not crazy or anything. Actually, we might need some instructions for this. Because I don't want to like open the wrong thing. It's in like a plastic bag. Because I can keep it in the original plastic. But, okay. Step 1. Candy bowl. Yeah. Alrighty. It seems pretty simple. There's a zipper on the bottom of this dude. I'm gonna like unzip it. And everything. Oh yeah, everything's like inside of here. His base, control box, and B to B. So that's how you connect them. I believe it's B to B. Okay. And then I just done that wrong actually. And I might have had to put the other thing in first. Oh yeah, there's like a satchel right here. I'll get this thing into there. Try not to break it, obviously. Just got this so. Okay, there's like a little foam thing. And then maybe. I love this song. Make it walking fast. It's very hard to get on. There we go. Oh. Wait. No, it's not going on. Oh wait, never mind. It is. Okay. Now we need to find the I gotta like connect this, I feel like, without even looking, basically. Because it's like, I can't really see it. Because it's all up in there. I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right. I think I am. That was lined up. There we go. There's a wire. On it. A little bit tricky, guys. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Okay. Oh yeah, and then there's the IR sensor. We can actually hold this up now. Wait, let me just make sure it's on the on position. On. Just for when I plug in the sensor. Okay. I'm going to put the adapter on actually right now, so I don't have to open that thing back up. I'm also going to check the volume because I don't want this thing to be crazy loud. Oh yeah, this thing's loud right now. There. Got this adapter. Twist tie. No. I hate undoing these because they always tangle up. There we go. Adapter. There we go. Alrighty. Now we can zip this thing back up. It's like. Okay. We'll put it on. I'm just gonna put that guy up there. Oh, it's on. Okay. Oh yeah, his hat's like a wireframe, so you can like hose it. At least the rim. Now we're gonna take our candy bowl, and I believe you can like wait. I just want to see if there's like a certain yeah, okay, so I was doing yeah, this way. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Or not. What is happening? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, there's like the Velcro strips now to Velcro it on his lap. I guess that way it doesn't like fly off. And he hops on up. That would not be good. And now we have hoses. We'll just put his hands there. And then the setup is complete. It's pretty simple. Just, yeah. Alrighty. He might fall over, so I'm gonna let. Oh, okay. Oh, he's so cool. It's like that old auto quality too. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. You see that? Yeah, just because it's like nighttime right now, so it's like we don't want this dude like yelling. Okay. There's a sitting scarecrow, guys. One more. So yeah, this is Sitting Scarecrow. Thanks for watching.